Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn very interesting lesson from 4th EVS looking around book. In this lesson, this is the chapter number 11, the value of flowers. This lesson tells us about beauty of nature. But first let me clear you what is the valley. Valley is the place between two hills or between two mountains. You can say it is the deep place. Okay, let's start. In the hills of Uttaranchal, there is a place where there are flowers everywhere. Uttaranchal is one state. Now I can show you here on the map. See Uttaranchal. It is the one state which is covered with flowers, or you can say valleys. So many mountains or hills in this state you can see. In the hills of Uttaranchal, there is a place where there are flowers everywhere. And in this Uttaranchal, there is one place where there are flowers everywhere. And this place is called the Valley of Flowers. And this place where there are so many flowers in Uttaranchal, this place is called the Valley of Flowers. In some places, one sees red flowers blooming on bushes, while in others one finds white flowers peeping out between the stones. Means on this place you can see so many red flowers blooming on the bushes, and while in others one can find white flowers peeping out. Peeping out means looking out quietly between the stones, or trying to come out of the stones. And there are wide areas carpeted with the brightest yellow flowers. There are so many brightest yellow flowers, and this yellow flowers area is very wide and vast area, so it is looking as like the carpet. And do you know what is the carpet? Carpet means thick woven fabric which we use in our houses, okay, on the floors. And suddenly elsewhere blue flowers shining like tiny stars between the grass. And the other hand you can see there are blue flowers shining like tiny stars. Tiny means like small stars between the grass. And all these appear, all these seems like a beautiful dream, doesn't it? Yes, because like a dream, these flowers bloom only for a few weeks in the year, not for the entire year. These flowers are blooming just for few weeks in the year on this place. And in this time you can see everywhere flowers on this place of the Uttaranchal. Now just for 1 minute you can close your eyes and imagine that you have reached such a place. Okay, and how does it feel? Which songs do you feel like singing? And have you ever seen so many flowers grow together anywhere? And where did you see? If you have seen anywhere so many flowers togetherly, then where you have seen these so many flowers togetherly, that place name you want to write here, okay? And how many differently colored flowers have you seen? Write their colors. Means these colors names you want to write here, okay, like red, pink, purple, blue, okay, etc. Now see, we are going to continue next part of the lesson. Now you are just left counting, weren't you? Okay, are there any things in your house which have design of flowers made on them, like clothes, sheets, vase, etc.? Here is a floral design in the box below. The design in the picture is called Madhubani. It is a very old form of folk art. Folk art means you can say it is one traditional art, correct? And do you know why it is called Madhubani? There is a district in Bihar called Madhubani. Means Madhubani names one district is there in Bihar. And so that this folk art has got name Madhubani. And here during festivals and happy occasions, the walls of the houses and their courtyards are painted with such pictures, and these paintings are made out of paste of powdered rice in which color has been mixed. Means you can say these pictures, Madhubani pictures, are made of rice powder in which color has been mixed. The colors used in Madhubani painting are very special too. To make them, indigo means neil, turmeric means haldi, colors from flowers and trees, etc. are used. To make these colors, indigo, haldi means turmeric is used, and colors from flowers and trees are also used, correct? The paintings show human beings. In this picture I will show you human beings, animals, birds, etc. Means in this design you can see nature related things. Now what you want to do, one activity is here for you. Draw your own design in your notebook and color it as well. Okay, means you want to draw your own design in your notebook and you want to color it. Okay, and now look at the designs made by your friends as well. And in your class so many friends are there, correct? So you want to check your friends designs also, how they have drawn, how they have colored it. Okay, now see the world of flowers. Have you ever seen the world of flowers? Okay, if you have not seen, now here we are going to see the world of flowers. Here are some pictures of flowers. Mark correct on the flowers which you recognize. Recognize means identify. Which flowers you can identify, you want to tick there. Okay, write their names too if you know. Okay, if you will ask me how many flowers I knew from this picture, then I will tell you all these flowers I knew. So see, first one I have ticked everywhere because I knew all these flowers names. First one is hibiscus. You can say China rose to this flower, to hibiscus. And next one rose, sunflower, marigold, champa, jasmine, and last one everybody knew, that is tulsi. Okay, now we will go towards next question. From the pictures given above and other flowers that you know, give names of two which. Okay, means downside some points has given and accordingly we want to give the names of flowers. Okay, so see first point, grow on trees means which is not growing on the plants, which is growing on the trees, that is gulmohar or kadam. Okay, gulmohar mostly we have seen, but that kadam is not that much familiar to us. And second number, grow on bushes, lavender or hibiscus, correct? And grow on creeper, champa and coral vine. Then grow on water plants, water lily, lotus, bloom only at night, moonflower, queen of night, bloom in the day and close at night, that is sunflower or poppy. Now see the next question, which flowers can you recognize by their scent even with your eyes closed? Even if your eyes are closed, then which flowers you can identify by their scent? Recognize means identify. Then I think rose and jasmine can be identified by their scent even with our eyes closed. Okay, now see the next question. Which flowers bloom all the year round? Which flowers you can see entire the year, throughout the year? I think rose, hibiscus bloom all the year round. Next question, which flowers bloom only in certain months? Then flowers such as Rajnigandha usually blooms from April to September. See next question. Are there any trees or plants which never have any flower? Find out and write. Now this question's answer is depend on your observation, what you have seen. If you will ask me, I will say yes, I have seen money plant. I have never seen any flower on money plant. And conifers, one more name we have got here. So friends, that was for today, and remaining part of this lesson we are going to see in our next second part of this lesson.